Hi all, today we are going to see about project management software called Jira and Trello. Today we are going to see about two tools, one is Jira and Trello. So before that, first we want to know what is Kanban methodology. So methodology only makes the things of Jira and Trello, so that we want to know about Kanban. So Kanban is nothing but it's a two combination of Japanese word. Kan means sign, ban means board. So sign board. So majorly this tool is main focus of project management. Nothing but in your industry you'll be having one of the project and you'll be working on it. So in that, so you'll be doing one of the project deadlines, you'll be having some meetings, scrum issues, agile issues, and you'll be having waterfall methodology, then you'll be working on it. For that purpose, we have one of the tool to manage our project called Jira. Another one is called Trello. It's the latest version. So these two major tools are currently working in the IT industry. So this method was introduced by Toyota. So everyone knows Toyota is one of the car manufacturing company currently, right? In 1960s also they have been. So in that they have what they have done. So Toyota is nothing but it's a Japanese company. They will be processing their work like how it's going, how it's done, what we need to do, what we are doing. So you can track day by day work. So and it's a process we are going to use this methodology called Trello software and the Jira software. So let me explain this image. So you can able to see a person who is standing in the first row of column and second row, then third row. So they have been sticking a paper in the first row. So what is that? Nothing but currently the work what they are doing they have mentioned over here. That means one of our client will be having or our manager will be sticking a card over here. So the person who is coming to the duty at the morning, they'll be picking a paper and they'll be going for work. So after that, they'll be sticking and they'll be doing the work on second row. Nothing but first row is called what you have to do. That was manager is assigning you. Second row is you'll be picking a paper from the first row. You'll be reading all the instruction and you'll be placing on the second row. Then once the manager come and see what are the papers has been taken and what are the paper has been currently in process will be let know by the manager and client. So after completing, you will be taking the paper and picking in place in the last row. It's nothing but completion stage. That means you have completed that particular type of work. So this is the manual process, right? Every day the person need to come in the walk-in, then he have to check what are the things they have done for the day. So like that way, in industry, the project has been assigned to you, the things, what I'm currently has been assigned to me, what are the things I am doing currently, what are the things I have been completed. For this, they have designed a tool called Jira and Trello. For this purpose only today in class, we are going to see about Trello and Jira. So first, let me go to this software. It is both in like a software method and both we can use them like a Chrome versions. So let me continue. This is the interface of Jira. Let me start from this. You have to sign in the process from the Google ID. Both accounts are managed by the Atlassian. So it's one of the company called project management company to have this tool construction. So let's go in deeper in Jira. So let me continue it. It will get loaded for 2 minutes. Okay, now here Jira is asking us for choose a template, right? So first one we are having Kanban, Scrum, project management. The things are same, let's go with Kanban. So here you have to give the name, the project you are currently working on. Let me give gym application. Then get starting. So I'll be assigning all these things next. Then what are the tracks you are going to track on it? To do, in progress, in review, in done. Nothing but the work which was assigned by our manager or from different teams, that will be in called to do section. In progress section, the assigned one, that means the ticket they'll be telling or else invoice they'll be telling in the industry. This is the keywords. Okay. Like that, one of the ticket or else card, they'll be telling as a card. One of the card will be assigned to you and you'll be picking and you'll be working on it. While you are working, you have to keep the card from to do to in progress, right? Okay. After in progress, one of our manager or team leader or any senior person can come to know what is currently happening in that particular ticket or invoice. So that what are the things you have done, they can able to see that. So like that only the project management is happening. Once it was completed and you will be sending to the testing team, it will go to interview section. There the testing team will do the reviews and they'll be giving the feedbacks and you'll be commenting for that. Once the process is completed, finally it gets approved by the client, then you will be pushed to done sections. So like that only, so like that tracking process will be held on. So like that, let me give finish. So like that, we are able to see our project name called Gym application. So here we are able to see summary, list, board, calendar, timeline, pages and forms and multi more things, right? If you have any team meeting in IT, you want to deploy the production server, then if you have any coding for your design, if you have any backlogs from the client, or else you'll be having any releasing the files, what are the reports, like that, we having some of the things over there. The main thing of the Jira is what are the interface, only today we are going to explore it. So like first one, we like to explore the board. Board is nothing but it's a important thing in this tool. So first one is to do, in progress, interview, done. These 4 things I have explained to you, right? Now let's see. So like that, I'm just dragging to first one. Let us assume that the task 1 which was assigned by our client, so that was here. So once you log in for the day, and you will be clicking on and it will be getting over like this. So like that, once you see the tasks, here there will be having one of the task name like that. What is the task? You have to do the UX research. So like that, here the description is quantitative. So like that, research work for gym application. So like that, like this. So like that, much more details they have been mentioned. So like that, so the description is ready now. If they have any assigned extra task or subtask, that will be mentioned over here. So like that, so here we can able to see most of the commands in the past, like that all activities. So like that, I have moved the file from to do to, in that I have changed the description, I have named as UX research, everything will be noted. Like that, first thing it is nothing but it will be coming to our queue. This is the team, right? So this is our team panel. So gym application is not only for yours. Currently the login is yours, but here you will be having plenty of team members. You will be working with the team only in IT, not alone. In that time, you will be having this to do section, one of the ticket. Then here you can able to see like that assigned to me. Like this, your manager or TL, it's maybe an automation team will be assigning to you in random purpose. Then they'll be giving the team name, which team has been created to you, like that. So you can create a team name now, or else in industry you'll be having the team names. So like be giving by your company. So the label is nothing but if it is high priority, they'll be mentioning it will need to be rectified within 1 day. That will be mentioned in red color. If it is yellow, you have to complete within 3 days. If it is green, you have to complete within 1 week. Like that priority, we can able to work on this. So that was the thing they have been mentioning over here. Assigning priority also they can mention parent. Parent means nothing but for this issue, did you have already any cards for it, they will be mentioning over here. So for that reference, you can able to see that from that continuity, if you have any issues, they'll be creating this new card, right? So in comment section, we are able to see that the thing, I am completed my research. So like that, I'm completed my research. Like that, I'm thinking on. Just now I'm saying. I have done the command from my side, then I have done my part of work from my point. Okay, from the team who created this card, they'll be telling us back. Like from the client side, they'll be telling what are the things, what are the research method. I have seen the file, it is very good. You can close the ticket now, or you can make the ticket to the review stage. Now, what the thing I have working right. So once they are assigning only, the ticket need to be there. Once it was assigned to you, you have been working right. Then you have to keep the ticket over in the in progress column. Okay, you have to keep the ticket in this section. Okay, So this is the way the cards or ticket or invoice. They'll be telling in three different manner in industry according to your company method. So once you are doing this, then everyone from your team members knows that you are working on it. So then like that, you are the main person of or in charge person for this card to work on further, right? So like this second card I'm working. So like that, once the thing was completed from your view, you can make it in review. That means you are waiting for the client approval, or you are waiting for the test phase, or else you are waiting for the UI designer team, or else you are waiting for the developer team. So like that you can mention in review section. So like once that also take place, once the review has been completed, they have been telling in the comments, you can close the ticket, you can mark it as a done. Then drag and keep it in done. Then it will be showing the strikeout section, it will be done with the green tick. So like that, this is how our Jira will help. Currently I am telling in free version. Once you get into the industry, they'll be having the premium sector, because everyone comes with already existing project only, right? So that time you will be joining as a fresher in it, or like the experienced person you are, then you will be jumping over it. So then you will be doing all the sections over there. For the purpose only currently we are learning this tool. In calendar you will be having schedule any meetings or any upcoming research or any important issues you will be rectified, or anything of process, any done. If you are doing research or if you are doing anything else, you can able to see that what are the things has been completed for the day. Like that monthly wise. So like that monthly wise we can able to see what are the timeline we have taken for it. So that also we can able to measure easily. Then pages. So we can able to see the thing from different teams, and they'll be uploading some of the things like one-on-one meeting. We'll be having multiple methods of doing research, one-on-one. You'll be doing the product thinking, how the product is going on according to the timeline process, because each and every designer will be setting a goal. According to that, we'll be working on it, right? So this is the way the page will be working. So like that, this is what the Jira tool looks. The main thing is the board. So summary, what are the things we have been working today? We'll be having 2 card, and 2 was completed and 3 was in updated. 3 has been created. There is no due issues, and what are the things you are working on? What are the things in review, in done? What are the comment sections? Like overall dashboard like interface you'll be getting over here. So like this is what Jira. So once you get into the company, you'll be learning more things about your project, then you'll be working on it, right? So let's jump into the next tool called Trello. Trello also will have same interface. Trello is nothing but same project management software, but it's a visual thing, nothing but it will be in colorful manner. So it is a minimalistic manner called Jira, in colorful manner called Trello. This is the 2 difference. Both account can be linked with Figma. You can manage to drag and drop the file, or you can keep posting using Figma plugins over here. So this will be helpful for your project management, so that the manager or team leader can come to know about what is the current process you have done on it. So I'm opening one of the card in Trello. Here also they'll be having same description. You can able to upload emojis, file, document, code, scripts. You can mention or tag anyone. You can upload any file link over here, so that anyone can able to watch and anyone can able to comment on these sections. So same way you'll be having plenty of cards over here. So like that in Jira also we can able to create plenty of cards. Here I have created a meeting section. In that meeting, if you are having any call, if you are working in a Scrum, you'll be having a daily call. So that time you can able to see one of the card over here. If you click in that, they'll be having a Teams or Google Meet or any Zoom link, so that you can able to click that in quick manner. So for that purpose, we'll be having meeting. We'll be having one of the section called KT. KT is nothing but knowledge transfer, that will be called in IT. So if as a fresher, if you are joining, that time the senior person from that project will be guiding you what are the things currently we are working on. So that is called knowledge transfer. So like that particular cards, they'll be having in sample and templates, how they can be resolved and how the client can be approved on it. So these areas we can able to see and manage. So from that you'll be coming and understanding and learning many more things. Like the same meeting, what the things you have done, marketing, room involvement, meetings, questions, next things. In that main thing is currently the work or any project or any what we can say, any problem statement that will be over mentioned in this card. So any one of the backlog. So from there, once you started working, you'll be making in the card over here in progress, and you'll be having your like that maybe due to the testing phase. Once the testing phase are climbed upward, then you'll be moving to the done stage. This is how Jira and Trello helps you to develop the software, right? So you can able to complete our gym application in particular time period. So within the time duration you can able to complete, within the time sector you can able to complete. This is the main purpose. So this is how from the starting how we can see about the Toyota. They'll be assigning one of the work and they'll be doing that work. Then they'll be completing the work. They will be sticking the paper in that like a board. So that same way they have created this software. So in that we can able to manage our project. So in like regular manner. Anyone can able to see what the thing has been done over there. If you are manager, product owner, product designer, UX designer, UI designer, marketer, CX person, BX person, UX person, any person can able to see this and they can be helpful on it. So that's all. This is called Jira and Trello. Hope you understand about Jira and Trello software. We'll see you on next video. Thank you.